How to cash out Robux to real money with DevEx. So in here, it's like really easy. First of all, you need to get into your Roblox creator website just like this. Then from here, make sure you are logged into your account, right? So after logging into your account, you can simply click on dashboard right here. We'll get straight into our creator dashboard. From here, what we're going to do is obviously, first of all, make sure that you have created your Roblox game. And then from there, obviously, you need to check your eligibility, right? So after making sure that you are eligible in order to cash out real money, what you can do is simply click on all tools right here. Then you'll be able to see the DevEx app option right here. Click on that one. Then from here, you can see we are not eligible right now. If you are eligible now, from there, you'll be able to simply click on cash out right here and go along with the process of how you'll be able to cash out real money using DevEx on your Roblox. So yeah, that is it. If you guys do have any further queries, please let me know in the comment section down below.